what is the most appropriate reason for the teacher's engagement in the process of assessment. Okay, so most appropriate reason na, so kumbaga ano yung pinakarason kung bakit meron tayong pa-assessment sa ating pong mga estudyante. Would it be letter A, to find out if the lesson was presented well? Letter B, to find out if proper teaching methods were used? Letter C, to find out if lesson objectives were attained? Or letter D, to find out if the teacher was effective in teaching? Tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C. Of course, no? So yung reference natin when you make your assessment, when you make your test, yung pinaka-sandigan po ninyo would be your objectives. Okay? So tuhog po sila dapat. Nakatuhog po yung assessment tsaka yung lesson objectives mo. No? O lesson objectives po yung ating sandigan. Okay? So that is the right choice. Pinakarason. No? Pinakarason. Pwede kasing ito, mga sangkap lamang po ito, but then we always have to go back to your objectives. Kasi kumbaga concern naman ni teacher, di ba? Bakit proper teaching method yung ginamit niya? Bakit niya piniresenta yung lesson in this way, no? Kung paano natin ma-find out na effective siya is kung na-attain ng ating estudyante yung lesson objectives. Okay? So letter C ang tumpak.